Here we have divided animals into two groups on the basis of embryonic cell layer. So on the basis of embryonic cell layer, how many embryonic cell layers are there? On the basis of that, we have divided animals into two groups. One is diploblastic animal, second one is triploblastic animal. Diplo means two, triplo means three. Now look at the board. Diploblastic animals. Here blastula has two germ layers. These two layers are known as germ layers. Blastula, this word you will read in your higher classes. You know that when zygote is formed, first zygote is formed after the fusion of the gametes. That zygote, after cell division, produce morula, and after that blastula. Here that blastula has two germ layers. One is ectoderm. Ecto means outside layer. In endoderm is the inner layer. Okay. Now triploblastic animals. Triploblastic animals, the blastula forms three germ layer. One is ectoderm layer, mesoderm layer, and inner endoderm layer. Mesoderm layer is added one. This is extra in triploblastic animals. So now look at the diagram. Ectoderm, the outer layer. The green one is the mesoderm, middle layer, and the inner lining, there is the endoderm. So three layers are there, so they are triploblastic. Comparison to triploblastic, diploblastic has two layers. In middle there is another layer. This is not mesoderm, that is the mesoglia. One jelly like substance is present in between these two layers, ectoderm and endoderm. Mesoglia is present over here. Here mesoderm. Here we have divided animals on the basis of segmentation. Segmentation is a phenomenon in which the body is divided into a number of chambers or segments, anterior and the posterior end, on the basis of some fundamental plans, body plan. So segmentation is there or not. On the basis of that, we have divided the animals into metameric segmented animals and pseudo segmented animals. Now look at the board. Metameric segmentation. Number of segments here remain constant throughout its life. But here in the false segmentation, means pseudo segmentation, pseudo metamerism, here the number of segments may change in the course of the animal's life. Segments are physiologically interdependent in case of segmented animals. Metamerically segmented animals, the segments are interdependent. But in pseudo metamerism, the segments are independent. So one segment is not dependent on the other segment. Now the segments are, in case of metameric segmentation, the segments are called metameres. So many metameres are joined together to form a full organism. But in case of pseudo metamerism, each segment is called as proglottids. So there are many proglottids jointed. And this metameric segmentation is found in the annelids, phylum Annelid. Here, false segmentation or pseudo metamerism is found in the Platyhelminthes.